Crypto Chrissie, and I'm really excited to be here with you to talk about cryptocurrency. At the end of 2017, during the last really big bull run, was when I first got involved in cryptocurrency. It was actually the worst time to get involved. But I'm really glad that I just got involved with a little bit of money until I got comfortable knowing what I was doing. And throughout the past year and a quarter before starting this YouTube channel, I've just really dived deeply into observing how this market works and really about how I can actually make a plan of how I can reach my financial goals the next time the bull market comes. And that's why I'm starting this channel, because I really want to share with you some of the things that I learned, some of the things I'm keeping my eye on and looking out for, and also just how I'm setting myself up so I can hopefully reach my goals and really take advantage of this opportunity. So I would love for you to come along and join in on these videos. I'm going to keep it really simple, informative, and fun. And I'm just going to be a good channel for beginners, those that are not too technically savvy or financial investors, but those that are just lay people in regards to those aspects. So that's why I'm going to keep it simple and also try to explain it in just plain English, because it can be really complicated, all of the different projects that are going on and understanding exactly how it works. So I'm really going to be talking from an investment standpoint, along with just sharing with you different things that are going on in the market that are important to take a look at, some of the things that I've learned, mistakes I've made, some of the things to watch out for, and things you may want to consider to put into a strategy to reach your financial goals. That's going to be the focus of this channel. And if that sounds good to you, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. And I'll be really looking forward to getting to know you better. So I'll see you in the next video.